Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Taaleem for everyone. In this video, we are going to see section 11.2 quadrilaterals from chapter number 11 triangles, quadrilaterals and polygon. This chapter is from New Levels Mathematics book 1 or D1. Okay, so if you are using this textbook, so you may find this section on page 268. This is not only designed for students, those who are using this textbook, but any student who are facing any difficulty or doing this topic, so you may watch this video. Okay, so here is the topic quadrilateral. Okay, a quadrilateral is a polygon closed plane figure. In the video lecture of triangles and types, I have discussed the word polygon. Basically, polygon means a plane closed figure that is made up of three or more than three sides. So a quadrilateral is a type of polygon, okay, that has four sides, four interior angles, and four vertices. Chord, the word chord means four, and lateral four-sided figure. Okay. Figure 1, if you see, it shows a quadrilateral ABCD because this quadrilateral name is ABCD. Okay. If you see, according to figure 1, AB, BC, CD, and DA are the vertices, are the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. Why quadrilateral ABCD? Because its name ही जो है ABCD है. You can name it as WX by Z, DEFG. Okay. Next is points A, B, C, and D are four vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now, if you see angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are four interior angles of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Next is now the line segment BD. If you see this line segment that connects point vertices point B and D, this line segment is basically known as diagonal of a quadrilateral. Not necessary कि एक ही diagonal हो. We can have two diagonals as well. Next diagonal जो होगा वो जो कि A and C को join कर रहा होगा. So that diagonal is known as AC diagonal. Okay. So next thing is that if you remember, angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. So sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Quadrilateral four-sided figure जो भी होगी आपके पास, कोई सा भी quadrilateral हो, उसकी जो angles, interior angle sum of a triangle वो quadrilateral होगा वो 360 degree होगा. ठीक है. मैं इसका proof भी बताऊंगी that how sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. I will let you know in any video. Okay, but अभी के लिए इतना ही कि sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral, any figure that is made up of four side उसका जो interior angles का जो sum होता है वो 360 degree होता है. Okay, so you have to remember just one thing, that order of vertices are important while you are naming any quadrilateral. तो जो उनकी जो points आप name दे रहे हो वो जो है important है. ठीक है, सीक्वेंस इंपॉर्टेंट है. लाइक ABCD, ये नहीं होना चाहिए ABDC या WE, वो सॉरी DEFG, सो DEGF. नो, सीक्वेंस होना चाहिए. ठीक, कंजुगेटिव सीक्वेंस. फाइन. So here are types of quadrilateral: rectangle, four-sided figure; parallelogram, four-sided figure; square, four-sided figure; trapezoid, or you can also call it as trapezium, four-sided figure; rhombus, kite. We will see each and every types in detail in next video. Okay, अब तक के लिए इतना ही कि there are these 6 types of quadrilateral classification of quadrilateral: rectangle, parallelogram, square, trapezoid, or trapezium, you can say rhombus, kite. Okay, we will see properties and definition of all these types in next video. Okay, so I hope so आपको जो ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. So if you are watching this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel Taaleem for Everyone and hit like button and press bell icon. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.